Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an amazing product that I am absolutely thrilled to share with you. Introducing the 9-color eyeshadow palette Glitter Pearly Eyeshadow Palette. This palette is an absolute game-changer when it comes to creating stunning, charming eye makeup looks. First of all, can we talk about the colors in this palette? They are absolutely stunning. With 9 different colors to choose from, you can create a wide variety of looks, from sophisticated to avant-garde, day or night. The fine and silky powder is rich in color and offers long-lasting effects, meaning your makeup will stay put all day long. The strong adhesion and excellent makeup capability allow you to create a hazy, dreamy makeup effect that is sure to turn heads. Not only are the colors and quality of this palette top-notch, but it's also incredibly easy to carry and use. The compact size makes it perfect for travel or throwing in your purse for touch-ups on the go. Plus, the unique coffee cocoa beans print on the palette adds a cute and playful touch to this already amazing product. And let's not forget about the high-quality ingredients that give this eyeshadow palette its silky luster. Trust me, this is a makeup essential that you do not want to miss out on. So, if you're ready to take your eye makeup game to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the 9-color eyeshadow palette Glitter Pearly Eyeshadow Palette. You can find the link to purchase in the description box below. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to elevate your makeup game. Trust me, you won't regret it. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest beauty reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.